Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your dock on your MacBook. You can resize it, move it, and customize how it looks. If your dock feels too big, too small, or just messy, this fixes it. So first, click the Apple logo at the top left of your screen. Then go to System Settings. Scroll down and click Desktop and Dock. This is where all dock settings are. Here, you can change a few things. So first, adjust the size slider to make it bigger or smaller. You can turn on magnification if you want icons to zoom when you hover through your dock. You can also change where your dock appears. It can either be left, bottom, or right of the screen. Most people keep it at the bottom, but it's your choice. If you want more space, turn on automatically hide and show the dock. This makes it disappear until you move your mouse down towards your dock. You can also drag apps in and out of the dock to customize it. Just drag to add or drag out to move. And that's how to edit your dock on your MacBook. It's super simple once you know where to go. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.